Morning. Well, it's now Saturday, and one of the heads, I need that actually, one of the cylinder heads, I broke when I was tightening the rocker stud down in it. Oh. So now I gotta put the heads back on if it came off of it, but those were the ones that were severely rusty. And I spent like 2-3 hours yesterday with my drill and like a burr bit and a screwdriver and a blowgun, blew them all out. And then after I got everything that I could see that way, I got the power washer, stuck the nozzle in each hole and just sent pressure through them. And they seem to be significantly cleaner than they were, so that's an upside. I got all the head bolts cleaned. Oh, I'm dropping gaskets. I got all the head bolts cleaned on it. So now that the head bolts are clean, I can actually put these on and the head's on. And hopefully put the rest of the valve train back in it. The upside to this is now I no longer have to worry about making all the stuff that came out of this fit. Because on the other heads, the pedestals were higher than these ones are. Nice. I like it. Thankfully, in the process of messing that head up, I didn't have to take any of the parts back out of this block. So I was able to keep the timing cover on it, keep the lifters in it, keep the can in it. Not have to take any of that stuff back out. Just in the last week, I've done head gaskets. This will be the third set on a small block. Because I put a set in, I put the heads back on the red vet, but when we got those back, the heads back in the machine shop. So technically that's a head gasket job. And then this one, twice now. This one twice. So hopefully I don't have to do head gaskets on any of my stuff anytime soon. Again. Because this has not been fun. Very stressful and very irritating, we'll say. Time to put head bolts back in. Hopefully this is the last time I do it on this block.